Hi everyone, Vacuum Search Fun here. So now we got this Hoover Quick and Light. I don't know if this is after the Hoover Elite this one comes, or this one comes, or Eureka comes. I know it's not Dyson because Dyson was last. No, Eureka was okay. Eureka was last. Dyson was after Eureka. Their devil first, then that one, then I made after this one, then Dyson, then Eureka. Oh, okay, I got it. So Hoover Quick and Like is next. If you didn't see Hoover Elite this, go check it out. Today for this one, you need what do you need? You need a can and a cardboard box and tape. And no, you can take glue or tape. I'll take glue. Doesn't matter. I'll bring the stuff right now. I'm so sorry, guys. You need an ice pack too. Can, cardboard box like this one. So you need this ice pack. I'm sorry, I forgot. And a glue stick, just to make sure it's not empty. Okay, great, it's new. So for this 1 minute already, take the cardboard box. For this, take the can, take off the key. No, wait. Okay. Yeah, take off the key, guys. Take it off. Now, take anything you want to make a hole with. I take this. Oh, great. That was so perfect. You need 2 holes. Yeah, I didn't make a hole. Okay, guys, with this, tell your parents to do this because this is dangerous. Okay, guys? So, you need 3 holes. Okay, guys, I'm telling you not to do this, okay, guys? So if you're not doing this, great. So you can pause this video and this is what it has to look like. Okay, when you pause your video, next what you have to do is you have to it will look almost the same thing like this steamer. So next what you have to do with this ice pack is nothing for now. You just need this with the 3 holes at the bottom. You have to glue it right onto this platform. It doesn't matter which side. I will take this side. And glue this side, this one. This side, so it is like this. Okay, guys? It's my brand new glue stick. I'll glue it here. I'll glue it here and on the box. Then, in the middle, guys, okay? Can't need more glue. Just so you know, it has to be in the middle, guys. So if you did wrong, please retry. Okay, then take your feet, this part here, and hold it tight and hit it a little bit. Sounds like music. Okay. When you're there you go. Flip it the other side. And then where the can is, hit it right in. See, so right where the can is, you'll hit it right here. So I'll put my finger there. And if you hear like aluminum breaking, that's good. So listen, if you don't hear this, that's wrong. So you have to get a new box. Oh, okay, guys. Actually, when it comes off, great. Just make a hole there. I don't want to confuse you guys. And the same thing, give it to the parents. It's okay if you get some, like, pieces from it. It's alright. Those pieces can stay there. And then just rip off the rest. Oh, I ripped the box. It's alright. Then glue your thing back where the hole is. Okay, guys? You can close your glue stick. I forgot to. So if the ice pack is melting right now, go put it back in the refrigerator. If you want. If it's not, great. Because you'll need it in a few seconds, so you don't need it to put it there. And then hold it, push it very tight. Same thing. Pick it up, should be glued. And then write Hoover right here. 7. I'll write it because I don't want to waste time. Just like this. Then take the ice pack and glue it or tape it right here. Right here. Okay, I bring tape because I don't want to. I need this, so I'll tape it because I need this. If you don't have to use it, you can just glue it. Doesn't matter. And if it finishes, I think the best is the glue, the tape. Because if it finished, you have to put it back in the refrigerator if you want to use it again. Then tape it on. There. Then, if this part comes off, it's okay. Then that's all what you have to do. And you can write Hoover again. You can write Hoover again there. Then, put water in here. The water comes out from here. And you can vacuum your floor like steamer. That's all for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. The next video, you know who is. Mr. Stinky Hoover Vacuum. So, if you made this all by yourself, great job. You can see the bottle right there. And you can use that anytime you want. And you don't have to use your steamer. So like, subscribe, comment if you liked it. Don't forget about this Hoover and the Dirt Evil steamer. Okay, guys? So, good luck. Bye.